I'm gonna show you how to change this door jamb here. Slowly pop them out, door seal. Yeah, just want to loose so you can get this door jamb out. Just pop it out slowly. Next, I'm gonna cut this to length. You want to make sure there's no gap down here because of the water. I'm gonna pre-drill them. Just the key is to make sure this has to be flush. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change this door jamb here. This was damaged here. We changed the other side, but once I figured out, I'd share with you guys here. It's pretty simple here, guys. You just pop these out here. First, you gotta pop out your seal here. And all you gotta do is just take a crowbar and slowly pop them out. The door seal. Just like that, work your way up from bottom up. Slowly. And you can see, it's all it is it's nailed in. Okay. I'll move the ladder over here a little bit. These door jamb cost about $20-$30 a piece, and this is a 12-foot by 12-foot door. So you buy them at the manufacturer. They're cheaper. At a local store, it might be a little bit more expensive, and you can have them cut to size. Just pop it out. They're pretty easy. You can see they just come right off here. Okay, release the seal a little bit to get this door jamb out. So we're gonna release this here a little bit. Just a couple old nails. I would say about 3 nails so you can get this door jamb out. You don't want to be gentle, you don't want to break it, damage it. And this one just pops right off, guys, like that. Okay, I'm gonna get another one here, number 2. Yeah, just want to loose so you can get this door jamb out. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna remove all the nails here. Okay, next you're gonna loosen these panels up here, guys. So these bolts, just gotta loosen up so you can get the panels out a little bit. Because there's nails, these door jambs are nailed down. And you can see this rubber seal, you don't wanna lose those, you wanna reuse them. Those are to help water from getting in. I'm gonna open 2 panels here so I can get under. I forgot to, I have a DuC drill, but I forgot to bring the extension, so I have to use this manually. But hey, it's not too bad. Because in between this door jamb, there's a nail right here, guys, so that's why we have to get in between there. And when you order these door jamb, they're going to ask you the bent, from the bent into the back of the, where the seal, door seal touches. I think that's good. We don't need to go up. I'm gonna loosen up this one here. Okay, so we got that loose. Now we're gonna start popping out the door jamb. Just pop it out slowly, guys. Yeah, comes right off. Okay, one piece of nail, one nail. It just comes right off that. And there's another nail up top, but we're gonna try to get this out first. It just comes right off. Look at that. Just slid right off. Oh, these were bolt on, so that makes it easy. Now I'm gonna go up top here. Some of them actually got nail on the side, but this one didn't. See this nail right here? I'm not sure you can see it. Okay, this nail right here, once you pop off, it should come off, guys. The hard part is getting underneath here. So you just lift it up. It comes right off there. All right. So next I'm gonna cut this to length. And you wanna cut the top where you can't see it so it's nicer looking. So the top will be this side. This will be the top, so you wanna cut this side. So I'm gonna measure to length here. Measure to length, cut it. You use a square here, measure it about right here, guys. See how it angles a little bit? Because here, guys, you got a drop. There's a small drop here, so you want to angle it. Put this in. Okay, you see how this line up? You want to make sure there's no gap down here because the water, right? See, this goes in between, goes behind this panel, and then over top, of course, of your blanket here, your water seal damper, and then this, of course, goes on top. It goes like that, guys, like that, just like that. Okay. See that? So we're gonna do the same thing on top. Okay, got it locked in place. You don't want to over tighten them because they have seals on them. You will cut it. I'm gonna pre-drum, make it easier to hammer through. All right, guys, I got the door jambs installed, replaced, and here's the new seal, the door jambs. Now, one thing I ran into problem, guys, is make sure your distance from here to here. Now, when you get your measurement, it has to be from back flush here to up to flush here, because you're gonna have a hard time installing. I had a hard time because I actually had to push this forward. If you don't, the door will rub into this and it will not close. So I had to push this off a little bit. So next time I need to order a little bit shorter of the J channel. And other than that, it was pretty easy, guys. You pop it out, install it, and that's it. But yeah, just the key is to make sure, again, this has to be flush. Right now you can see it sticking out a little bit. But that's the best I can do, and the door closed, so I'm happy with it. But you see the old panels here. And again, like I say, you want to get the measurement. It's from here to here. It's your measurement that you want. So that's what you want to make sure you have the correct one. You don't, it's going to stick out a little bit. Okay, guys. But yeah, other than that, until next time, until next how to, let me close this here, show you guys it works. Until next DIY, take care and go fix some stuff.